New Orleans jazz began in legendary Storyville. From there, it spread up the Mississippi to Chicago, to New York, and on to the concert halls of Paris and London, and of course, Town Hall as well. These days, jazz is played all around the world, but always it seems to express nostalgia for its birthplace. That sentiment, of course, goes all through the picture New Orleans with its theme song, which Louis does now. Do you know what it means to miss New Orleans?
You know what it means to miss New Orleans and miss it each night and day. I know I'm not wrong. The feeling's getting stronger the longer I stay away. Mr. Morris-colored vines, the tall sugar pines, the mockingbird seems to sing, and I'd like to see the lazy Mississippi hurrying into spring. Oh, the Mardi Gras, the memories of Creole tunes that fill the air. I dream of oleanders in June. That's when I'm wishing that I were there. You know what it means to miss New Orleans when that's where you left your heart. And there's one thing more, I miss the one I care for more than I miss New Orleans.